Do you want to unlock the full potential of your team? With the Employee Engagement Survey, you can gather valuable feedback from your employees on leadership, communication, and satisfaction. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more useful content, and let's get started. Alright, so let's begin! Let's go to the Formula dashboard and open the templates gallery. In the search bar, let's search for employee engagement. Today, let's use this one. Great, now we can see the editor page and the menu on the left where we can drag and drop to add different fields and options to our form. You can also remove fields and rearrange the order of your fields by simply using the drag and drop. As you can see, this form contains a few score fields to gather information. Here you can change the title, and here you can change the minimum and maximum score messages, and you can also add the minimum and maximum score if you wish to. Let's scroll a little further down, and here you can see a CSAT field. You can easily change the icons here using these options and the title. Continuing scrolling down the form, you can see a drop-down field, and here you can change the text and add or remove the options. In the success message after submit, you can change the text, add links and images to further customize it. Awesome! Now let's go to the Design tab. Here you can change the look of your form by, for example, changing the colors of the form, change the font. You can also change the background image and even customize the text on the buttons and messages. Now let's scroll to the top, and here as you can see, this is a single-step form which looks like this. All the questions are shown on a single page. And in the multi-step form, it shows like this. And here in the Notifications tab, you can enable this option to get a notification every time someone submits your form and add another email for your team to forward the same notification to. Pretty cool, right? Now, if you want to embed your form to your website, you can do so by simply clicking on Save and Use in Website. Here you can choose to use it as an iframe, script, widget, or chatbot. Simply copy the code Formula gives you and paste it to your website, and it works right away. Now let's go back to the Formula dashboard and click once on your form. This is the app version of your form. Here you can create a Kanban board to keep track of your employee engagement status, as well as advanced charts for powerful visual representation of your data. And there you have it! Now you can create your own employee engagement form and customize it to your liking. Small enterprises, nonprofits, governmental organizations, and huge corporations can all use this employee engagement survey form to learn more about the wants and opinions of their staff members. It can be given to all employees or to select teams, such as new hires, people in particular jobs or departments. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy formuling!